Sunday, okay, it's ready. I'm ready for another marble machine. So I haven't had one for a couple days. So this is a pretty complex little thing, but not that difficult. But you know, it has quite a few parts. I'll show you after I show you the demo, and I'll also, like usually, put down on a description where you can get it and print it yourself. Basically what's going on is that my new 3D printer, Bambu X1C carbon, and it has a LiDAR, mini LiDAR, and or macro LiDAR, I should say. Anyway, so why don't we get to what it does, and then we'll talk. So I just rotate this handle, this thing has grooves, so it coaches the balls to go in a, you know, around like that. So let me see if I can get these balls out of here. Don't fall down. Okay. Oh, all except one. Alright, I think there's no more balls there. Okay, so now I can show you basically what it looks like. So it has this big wheel, and this big wheel has these little indents, and then down there, what I'm aiming at, this is sloped down, as you can see. It's not flat, but it slopes down. So as the ball falls here, it gets out through this hole over here, and then it goes left or right, and it doesn't matter which way it goes, left or right, because it's being collected down there, and then let me show you over here like that. So once the ball gets in here, which I should probably do it like that, then what it does, it goes inside this. Oh, my camera started focusing. It goes to this white wheel, right? And then this gray piece keeps the ball in place, because these holes are not flat, they are angled out, so you can so the ball gets out without catching or staying in there. And then it comes over here, and it's also sloped, so it goes into this hole, and as you turn, this guy once push the balls this direction, and the second time this direction. Okay, and I don't know what else I can show you. Oh, this is kind of cool, where when the ball comes out here, and then you keep going. Have you noticed what it did? Watch these little things that the ball does that. And the reason this has to be, it goes like this, so it gives it more speed. And also the reason why it goes up is because it otherwise, if the ball was running over here, it would run into that piece and would get stuck there. So this is actually functional, and the only lever is this little ball. That's I glued these balls in. I didn't have the right size, but it's good enough for the weight, because just like as I said, this goes like that. And that's the beauty about this marble machine. Some people probably expected maybe that I did a motorized version of this, and I can still do so if I want to, but I think I really like that manual thing, so you can change the speed and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let these balls all go crazy. And it's ready to be shown again. Well, I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to give me thumbs up. Both. Let's see. There we go. Both thumbs up, and you know, spread the word to others. Go see what this Tony does. Okay. You have a great day. Always a great day, no matter what happens. It's not the worst thing can happen to you. You know, if something happens, always tell yourself, it's not the worst thing can happen to me, and move on. People ask me, so what is the worst thing can happen to you? And I said, I don't know. It hasn't happened yet. Again, have a great day.